Alright, good morning, 8th graders. This is my son Nathan, who decided he wanted to do an action thing for us. Regardless, welcome to my kitchen and welcome to us learning how to do two-way tables. We're going to go back a little bit to what we were supposed to be working on before all this craziness happened. We were just about to do this and then school got shut down. So we are going to do this now. So what this means is this table is representing these people's desires. By the way, no guarantee Nathan won't make sounds or show up in the video, but he's cuter than me, so it works out. What this table shows is that at this beach, 31 people like to like to be at the beach during the day. 15 people like to be at the beach at night. And 30 people like to go swimming there total. And 28 people like to be there at night total. These are very similar to the questions you're going to have in the assignment. In fact, this is one of the questions, the tables. I just decided to write it down. I made it a little simpler. We're going to find numbers, and there's no guarantee the cat might walk by and mess up my screen. He just bumped into it. Regardless, we're going to find the various numbers. To find missing entries in this table, we have to figure out if 15 people are at the beach at night, how many are swimming at night, and how many total out of the total of 28. Well, we simply subtract 28 minus 15 to give you 13 swimmers. Similarly, 30 minus 13 gives you 17 swimmers during the day. To find the total for each row, you do 31 plus 17 to get 48. The total for a column is 31 plus 15 equals 46. The total is either 46 plus 30 or 48 plus 28. Either way, you get your answer of 76. Now, depending on the exact kind of question of what they're going to ask you, they're going to give you a table not filled in and ask you a question such as, how many people are in total in the survey? Well, in this case, 76. I should have gone back up and explained this a little better. These kind of results come from a survey asking people, do you like to go just to the beach, lie in the sand, play volleyball, whatever, or do you like to swim as well? Do you like to do it during the day or at night? And people answer those two questions, and you summarize it this way. Then it might be a bit more specific and ask, how many people like to go swimming at night? In that case, the answer would be 13. It just depends. The math here is not difficult. It all consists of adding and subtracting. The tricky part here is to read the wording carefully. Now, I believe, if we've set it up correctly, that the questions will be, you can repeat as many times as you need to get the correct answer, but it's most helpful if you read carefully and learn how to do it the first time and keep going. If you need to pause anytime, you can always do that for the video. As well, you can always ask me questions at richard.davis@slcschools.org. You should know my email right now. It's in Canvas anyways. And we're trying to stick everything to Canvas now. Well, me personally. I'm not really working with other math teachers anymore. Now, one more table I want to do to help you realize how to do these. In this case, people were asked their favorite color and if they prefer on their walls to have paint or wallpaper. And in this case, they had more than two answers they could do. So they could answer whether they like blue, red, or green. Later on, I'm going to make you do some of your own tables, but for right now, we're doing pre-made ones. Paint, wallpaper, the terrible W, and total. Okay, in this case, we know 6 people like blue and having paint on their walls. I also have paint on my walls, as you can see. 16 people in total like the color blue. 5 people like red and wallpaper. 19 people in total like the color red. And 25 people in total like the color green. We're going to find out every other entry in this table. Now you can make lines and so forth if you want. It doesn't really matter. I get lazy making my tables. There's Nathan's face again. Now, we're going to start filling in the missing entries here. So, blue paint, 16 people in total like blue. That leaves 10 left for blue and wallpaper. It'd be awfully helpful if we knew what the total number of people was. To do that, we're going to add these together. 16 plus 19, that is 35. Plus 25, that gives you 60. That's right, correct? If this is in the actual classroom, to make someone do the math for me with the calculator, but you're not around. I miss you guys a little. Only a little. Okay. Now let's find how many people like the color red and like having paint on their walls. 19 minus 5 gives you 14. And you're going to say, Mr. Davis, do we have enough info to solve this question? And honestly, I'm not sure we do. What did I do wrong? Well, let's put another number here. Let's suppose that we have 24 people like the color red in total. Okay, 6 and 14 make 20. How many people like green? If there's 24 in total, 4 do. Okay, similarly, wallpaper, 4 and what make 25? 21. Then we can add these together. 10, 5 make 15, plus 21 make 36. Now I actually have enough info on the question. That was my mistake. You can actually answer these, fill out the table. Now, additionally, you might be asked something such as, what is the most popular color? There's the answer. Here it is, green. Do people in this survey prefer wallpaper or paint? Wallpaper is more preferred to paint. Those people are wrong, but what do I know? And how many people are surveyed? 60. How many people like the color red and like having paint on their walls? Well, Nathan. How many people like the color red and like having paint on their walls? Nathan, if you're going to be in the video, what's the answer?
I don't know.
Nathan says, I don't know. Hopefully his 8th grade math students are better at math than the kindergartner. The answer here is 14. Once again, any questions, feel free to email me. Thank you. See you next time.